Welcome to explore how to make money with non-fungible tokens, NFTs.
NFT mistakes that you must avoid. Before launching yourself headfirst into the world of NFTs, there are some common mistakes that you really must avoid. Although the creation and selling of NFTs has not been going on for too long, it is noticeable that some people are making the same mistakes over and over again. All of these mistakes can be catastrophic for your success in the NFT world. You are probably going to make other small mistakes when you were just starting out, and that's okay. As long as you learn from these, it is fine. What you definitely need to do is to avoid these very big mistakes that can literally mean the difference between success and failure. 1. Thinking too short term. Yes, some NFTs have sold for millions over the last year, but that doesn't mean that you can create NFTs or invest in them and make a substantial amount of money the first time around. If you try to make too much money too fast with NFTs, then it is very likely that you will fail and give up on the whole idea. There is no doubt that the NFT journey can be an exciting one. This doesn't mean that you are going to be a millionaire by this time next week, though. If you go into NFTs with a get-rich-quick attitude, then you are extremely likely to fail. The best way to succeed with NFTs is to provide value. You will also need to have a good degree of patience, as you may not sell your NFTs right away. Be consistent with your marketing efforts and take the time to form collaborations and partnerships that will serve you well in the future. If you are serious about the NFT game, then commit to it for the longer term. 2. Not promoting your NFTs enough. It is just not enough to create your NFTs and list them on OpenSea and expect the money to start rolling in. There are already millions of NFTs listed on OpenSea, and most of these are struggling to find buyers. Forget about the build it and they will come concept. It is not going to happen. You need to create a marketing plan and then stick to it. Identify who your target audience is and then find out where they hang out. Use social platforms to leverage your NFT promotions. Use Discord forums, Clubhouse, and Reddit to your advantage as well. Do whatever you can to get the word out about your NFTs and the talents that you have. Some people might get lucky with their NFTs. They may list them on OpenSea and sell them quickly and have people begging for more. Instances like this are very rare. You cannot count on this kind of luck, so be sure to have a promotional plan and follow through with it. 3. Choosing the wrong marketplace for your NFTs. This is another classic mistake that we see over and over again. NFT creators cannot be bothered to do the necessary research, and they just opt for OpenSea because it is the biggest platform. Yes, OpenSea does get a lot of visitors, nearly 40 million a month and growing. But this does not mean that it is the best platform for your NFTs. There are several things that you need to find out about an NFT marketplace before you use it. The most important thing is knowing whether your target audience uses the marketplace or not. You need to consider if the NFTs that you want to create are a good fit for the ethos of the marketplace as well. With a number of new NFT marketplaces emerging all the time, you need to ascertain whether the marketplace you are considering using is safe. The size of the community in the marketplace is important, but more important is whether the community is responsive and helpful. Unfortunately, there are scam NFT websites already in existence. These people will just collect fees from you to pay Ethereum, for example, and will never sell anything. To avoid these scam NFT websites, use the DApp Radar website to check for legitimacy. 4. Doing NFTs on the cheap. The more you can invest in your NFT venture, the better. A lot of people make the mistake of thinking that the world of NFTs is a free one and that they can do everything on the cheap. While there are platforms that do not have fees for listings, most of the best quality ones do, so you need to factor this into your NFT budget. We have told you a number of times in this training that the Ethereum blockchain network is by far and away the most popular for NFTs. If you want to use the Ethereum network, then you are going to have to pay gas fees. You need to put some money behind your NFT marketing as well. Unless you have a huge following on social media, you will need to use social media ads to showcase your NFTs. This is a fairly inexpensive way to achieve results pretty fast. While it is entirely possible that gas fees and listing fees will come down as NFTs become even more popular, this cannot be guaranteed, and you cannot rely on this happening. If fees do come down in price, use the money you saved for more marketing. You need to take your NFT journey seriously and be prepared to invest in it for the maximum chance of success. 5. Not understanding how NFTs work. There's a reason why we included a whole video on how NFTs work earlier on in this training. We have seen so many people make costly mistakes because they didn't understand the basics of blockchain and crypto. It is essential that you have a good overview of how NFTs work and blockchain. If you need to watch the video on this again, then do that. We've done our best to make the video as easy to understand as we can, but there are some technical aspects to NFTs and blockchain that you need to understand in concept at least. In the next video, we will discuss investing in NFTs and flipping for profits.
Like this video and share. Subscribe this channel for more videos update. View these two videos to enlighten your learning.